quadratic polynomial chapter, you studied how to find the zeros of polynomial. For finding the zeros of the polynomial, there we used the main method is factorization method or splitting the middle term method. So, in this chapter, the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, the same meaning is coming in this chapter, roots of quadratic equation. Roots means same, zeros. So, roots of the quadratic equation means, if any quadratic equation is given, for x if we put some value, if the answer is 0, that particular value is called the root of the quadratic equation. For finding the roots of the quadratic equation, three methods are there. First method is factorization method. Factorization method. It is called as what? Splitting the middle term method. Second method is called as completing square method. Completing square method. And third is by using quadratic formula. For finding the roots of the quadratic equation, there are three methods for you. Factorization method, completing square method, by using quadratic formula. But now this completing square method is deleted. No need of studying. Only two methods are there. Factorization method and quadratic formula. Factorization method or splitting the middle term, now I will not teach, you know. So many questions you did in quadratic polynomial chapter, I will not. Okay. So that type of questions when it comes, we will do. So next method is quadratic formula. So if you get a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. What is meant by a? It is coefficient of x square. What is b? Coefficient of x. And c is constant term. Now, the quadratic formula derivation, actually it is coming from completing square method. Since you are not studying completing square method, derivation also no need of study. Just you by heart, quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is called quadratic formula, or another name is Sridharacharya formula. Sridharacharya's formula. So what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b by heart, minus b plus or minus, how to read? Plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a coefficient of x square, b coefficient of x, and c is constant term. It is also called as Sridharacharya's formula. So take down all these things. Completing square method is deleted from the syllabus. No need of study. So quadratic formula, direct you study. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.